Hello guys, welcome to Love is Vacation YouTube's channel. Now I want to give you information about 5 best Oregon beaches. Number 5, Harris Beach State Park. Named after the Scottish pioneer George Harris, Harris Beach State Park is home to Bird Island, the largest island off of the Oregon coast. Bird Island is a national wildlife sanctuary and breeding ground for a variety of coastal fowl. Harris Beach State Park offers plenty of space for tent and RV camping. There are 6 yurts on site as well as flushing toilets, hot water showers, and an RV dump station. Harris Beach State Park attracts visitors year-round. Travelers come to see coastal dramatic storms in the wintertime and return in the summer to enjoy dry, warm days. Number 4, D-River Wayside. D-River is known as the shortest river in the world. The 120-foot-long body of water runs from Devil's Lake into the tumultuous Pacific Ocean. Surrounded by a wide, sandy beach, the D-River Wayside is a popular area for fishing, swimming, beachcombing, and picnicking. The beach is frequently the site of numerous festivals, including the world's 2 largest kite festivals, which take place in June and October. The Finders Keepers Search, where people leave handmade glass floats for others to find along 7.5 miles of the D-River Beach, is another popular event in the area. Number 3, Cobble Beach, Yaquina Head Outstanding Natural Area. The Yaquina Head Outstanding Natural Area is a beautiful stretch of coastline that boasts a majestic basalt headland. Oregon's tallest lighthouse, which has guided ships in the region to safety since the late 1870s, sits on top of the rugged cliff. Cobble Beach sits below the headland. Here, visitors can see tide pools that are filled with all types of sea creatures as well as millions of interesting basalt rocks. On the offshore islands, travelers can view thousands of nesting seabirds and harbor seals. Migrating gray whales can be seen from Cobble Beach at different times of the year. Number 2, Carl G. Washburn Memorial State Park. Carl G. Washburn Memorial State Park sits on the east side of Highway 101. Separated from the highway by plants and trees, the park provides plenty of spots for tent and RV camping. Apart from 2 yurts, each campsite on the property is filled on a first-come first-served basis. The campsite has showers, flushing toilets, and other useful amenities. Campers can follow the walking paths in Washburn Park to see Heseda Head Lighthouse and the remote beach that surrounds it. Number 1, Cannon Beach. Cannon Beach is home to Haystack Rock, one of Oregon's most well-known landmarks. The monolith stands about 235 feet back from the shoreline of Cannon Beach, and at low tide, it is easy to get a close look at the impressive rock tower. Colorful sea stars, crabs, and anemones cling to the base of Haystack Rock, and puffins perch on the landmark from early spring to midsummer. The famous rock is protected as part of the Oregon Islands National Wildlife Refuge area. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.